YouTube, what's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, you know. Dan back in the lab with another mad reaction, another bad reaction, never a sad reaction. Yes, man, let's see what I do you today. They are Mr. Crucial Conflict himself. Deva Bratt been on a roll, man, just dropping bangers, diss tracks, songs, just being creative overall. Never know where they're gonna come with. You see me? Never know where they're gonna drop. We don't know for this. We got chop. We don't know whether we just have to watch and experience and enjoy the journey. No, because when you didn't think that this track, it's not a diss track. And when you think it's not a diss track, it is a diss track. So we don't know that. We just there and experience the vibes. Yes, man. So, yeah, man. He drop another one. Deva Bratt, the one that name. Wait, what? The one, alright, Deva Bratt drop a song. And he said featuring 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. What do you don't tell us what the name of the song is? I don't understand. You don't say featuring 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐍. So what is it? Ice Cream is the name of the Blood Clean song? Me don't know, I'm gonna react to it. You see me anyways. But yeah, we don't know if this is a diff, this or what 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 or is a feature 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 or whatever the hell it is. But we'll check it out and see what dog I deal with. Yeah, we don't have very much longer. Deva Bratt featuring 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Let's get it.
She did it. She did it well. She got brain. She make it swell. Can you do it again? She give me. She make me feel.
How many buggers just got weird? No, dog. I want to go in and this. I want to go in this. That mafia. That's sir. Let's get it.
She did it. She did it well. She got brain. She make it swell. Can you do it again?
Hey, I'm telling you, bro. I love this. I love this space that Deva Bratt is in. You see me? I say because the dog ran nothing for lose. The man now nothing for lose and everything for gain. So man just have fire shot and just have be creative. Big up yourself, Deva.
She give me. She make me feel. The first night I picked her up on a bike. She said me shoulda drive because she want keep out of sight. Right, so we go book a room at Hilton for the night. She said no worry about the money cause she have the cat this way. Then she said Deva, me I go take you on a flight. Me say yeah, whatever, just do it like night. I buy.
How deep now, man? We love this. We love this. Yo, it's what? Hey.
As forward, soon as she grab the mic, cause she frisky with the tongue and her flows them tight. Me frightened, me nearly froth up like a spike. She put her mouth on the top and make the pressure bust the pipe. No need for no whipped cream, nor.
Man said me fried, me need to froth up like a spike. She put the word up on the top and then. Yeah, hey! Sorry, bro. So she been to do these things. Eh? So she been to do these things. It was not new. It wasn't her first time. It wasn't no. She been doing the. Yeah.
Me frightened, me nearly froth up like a spike. She put her mouth on the top and make the pressure bust the pipe. No need for no whipped cream, nor no crush ice. Cheese, thank you for the picture, me go put it on the side.
Man said cheese. Thank you for the picture, me go put it on the side. Already, whoa. She been doing this thing, but never did just hold it down. Jesus.
Everybody like. Me feel. She make me feel. Hyper. She give me. Me like. She make me feel. Alright, me park the bike and then drive out to RVR. With presidential thing, me know why you see me with her. She said the engine want fix.
Me park the bike and drive out to RVR with the presidential. Me know why you see with her, cause now me know that she's a mockers. Me know why you know you park with the mockers. Jesus.
I forgot to if we go park. Plus a far, she said pull off and pop the hood of me car. That's a good compressor, pressure regulator, brand new battery and fuel injector. I'll spew.
Man say yo, pressure and pop the. Yo, she's a no dog. They say she's a mechanic.
Blood. Van pop the hood of me car. That's a good compressor pressure.
Yeah, man, she probably hood of me car. Get it? Yeah, she's a good compressor.
Regulator, brand new battery and fuel injector. I'll spill in her face when me rev it in a star. I wish she knew.
I'll spill in her face when me rev it in a star. Bomb.
Make me no left it in a star. She name. She did it. She did it well. She got brain.
She did it. What? She got easy the man.
She make it swell.
No.
Can you do it again?
Oh, but no, they never she have been a jack the track. Nowadays, they get a business, they get no shame, no man. No shame in the game, and I probably hear this and probably say, yes, I did it. Da 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 da.
She give me. She make me feel. Okay. The first night I picked her up on a bike. She said me should not drive because she want keep out of sight. Right. So me go book a room at Hilton for the night. She said no worry about the money cause she have the cat this way. Then she said, Deva, me I go take you on a flight. Me say, yeah, whatever, just do it like nice. I balls forward soon as she grab the mic.
Yeah, whatever, just do it like nice. Stop chatting, do the thing, do the do. What?
She frisky with the tongue and her flows them tight. Me frightened. Me nearly froth up like a sprite. She put her mouth on the top and make the pressure bust the pipe. No need for no whipped cream, no crush ice. Cheese, thank you for the picture, me go put it on my side. Everybody like. Me feel. She make me feel. Hyper. She give me. Me like. She make me feel. Alright, me park the bike and then drive out to RVR. With presidential thing, me know why you see me with her. She said the engine want fix it, I forgot tune if we go park. Plus a far, she said pull over and pop the hood of the car. That's a good compressor, pressure regulator, brand new battery and fuel injector. I'll spew in her face when me rev it in a star. Oh, she name make me no left it in a star. She name.
I say you been a really do, mama. You been a blood clean rifle and change oils in vehicles. You see me and say, yes man, say, I don't know nothing new, but it's true. You already have your little buzz. You can start name and start it and left, but my expose it. Jeez, one piece. Big up to Deva. This is my creative gang. Jeez, peace. Yes, man. One way to tell us a girl so good without telling us a girl so good. One way for this a girl so she clean it up without this a girl so she clean it up. Blood and sky. Big old ice cream. So I'm guessing this track name Ice Cream. Oh my God. That bad. Yeah, man, Deva, you do your thing, man. Yeah, man, that bad, man. Definitely expose Lisa hype. She be the exposure. If you picture there, you see me, no expose her blood clean. No one else can expose her. Yes, man. Yes, man. But yeah, man, Deva, big up for themselves. Deva, basically, say a long time Lisa do your thing there. Look like you like I say, man, get it clean before you even cartel of the picture. I man say, yo, Ray, she been a do them thing there, you know. She pick up on the bike, you like I say, yo, she want to never drive a car because she try to see it aside. Because regular she sneak around and do all type of shit, you know, from where you get a chat. You see me? So, yes, man. So, look like you dog been doing, see dog say, yo, she do all of the things them. Dog say, yo, say cheese, thank you for the picture, but me not put it on the side. So dog say, she probably been doing things, they just never choose to expose her like a cartel expose and all type of shit. Alright, Oh shit, maybe that's why the whole upset shit come about in the video. She drop all the cuss out the guys and all type of shit. Maybe that is happen and you know, get defend and all type of thing. Yo, hey, I'm not lie, man. Hey, I'm gonna get into that right now, gang. Well, let me know anything in the comment section. I like it. They could show the artists all of us support making notes at the dance and no. Also, gang, drop your requests. You see me so you can get your shout out. You don't know, road to 10K, gang. Hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.